Through the affordable housing program, we are not simply building homes. We are reshaping the face of urban development across our nation and turning the dream of home ownership into a living reality for thousands of Kenyan workers. Today, more than 273,000 affordable housing units are under construction across the country, and over 9,000 have already been completed, and we are handing over to deserving families. I was right here in Vihiga a month ago to hand over the first 200 units of completed housing units right here in Vihiga. Let me repeat, here in Vihiga County, for example, 6 affordable housing projects are underway, some of them being procured. We are going to deliver 3,720 housing units, an investment of 7.5 billion shillings as phase 1. At the same time, student accommodation projects, both ongoing and in the pipeline, will provide 4,540 bed spaces, backed by a further investment of 1.